Hi video creators! We are excited to share with you that a big update has been made to HitPaw Video Converter. So let's take a quick look at what we can expect here. You can convert home DVD discs, DVD folders, IFO files and ISO files to MP4, MP3, MOV, AV, and any video and audio format in high quality. I will show you how to make it. First, you need to put the DVD into your computer. On the main interface of the convert function, you can drag your DVD files directly to start conversion, or go to Add Files, Add DVD to load your DVD disc or folder. Wait for the program to analyze the DVD file. After the DVD disc or IFO or ISO files are imported, you can play and preview the chapters in this program by double-clicking the video thumbnail. Also, you can click the file name to edit the title, and click the pen icon or info icon to edit the media meta info. After all these settings are done, we go to the output format. You can select an output format by clicking the inverted triangle icon on the lower right side of each file. HitPaw Video Converter provides 1,000 plus video and audio formats. You can select the desired format from the corresponding category. One thing that should be mentioned is that HitPaw Video Converter utilizes both lossless conversion and GPU acceleration to make the conversion speed faster and lossless. You can enable or disable them on the interface. To start converting DVD files, please click the Convert or Convert All button. We can see that it takes about half an hour to convert a movie with a memory of 5.44 GB into MP4 format. It's quite fast. If you want to save your old DVD video in an easy way, try this. The focus feature of the second update is the AI noise reduction function. If background noise in your video is affecting your video quality, it is recommended that you use the AI noise reduction function to improve your video quality. Click Toolbox on the top. Here you can see the noise remover here. Just select the video with high noise sound. HitPaw Video Converter can automatically denoise video for you. No extra work required. Let's check the before and after result. Is what HitPaw Video Converter version 2.7 update features. The free download link is put in the description. Download it if you need to. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.